Well, good morning, YouTube, my subscribers, friends, family, the 196 of you that are following me and subscribed. Yay, thank you. This is William from Williams, Philippines. It is about 8:45 a.m. on October 30th, 2024. I'm a bit tired. A very interesting day at work today. The job was, let's just put it this way, sold out and had 31 or 32 rooms for the work crews. Basically, I was running from about 10 to 5 all the way to 10 after 7. And I do mean running. What's even worse is after I got off there, I went to the grocery store, got some groceries. I'm down to about 20, 25 bucks a week. Actually, I think it's closer to 20 to feed me. But on the way home, I stopped off and got some barbacoa. Sat down there and waiting on my order. Next thing I know, somebody's waking me up, which ain't good. I literally fell asleep at the restaurant, which ain't good. It could be worse. And I just got here, and I didn't even try to sit down. I just broke it open and started eating. And sitting down here is the first I got to sit down since I got food out of my car and brought it into the house. Sorry, thirsty. But that's a good thing. I did get to eat the barbacoa and it was delicious. Probably would have been nice if I'd have taken the time to actually taste more of it. I can honestly say I inhaled. Definitely I inhaled. But I got the fixings for a few more barbacoa, little tacos, burritos, whatever you want to call it. And I got some hamburger and lettuce, tomato, and taco seasoning. So this weekend is going to be today and tomorrow are going to be a severe case of getting me my Mexican food in. All I know is it's my weekend. It's my Friday on Wednesday morning. And I get to go to tomorrow night and make overtime, so yay. I'll probably have some leftover tacos and such to carry with me tomorrow night, or I might just leave them there and have them for Friday morning. Probably do that. Trying to spread my food out where I'm only eating once a day in a 4-hour window. Try to keep the, what do they call that, ketosis thing going. Kind of intermittent fasting again. Although I have to say, honestly, my belly fat's going away, but I'm staying the same weight. 205, 210. Just right up in that area. Sometimes I get a little bit heavier. I guess that's when I haven't quite gone to the bathroom yet. But, yeah. I'm staying there. I don't know. Anyway, I'm definitely kind of on the tired side today. Yeah, boss is happy. He's just a little irritated that we didn't have such a good summer because of a problem. And now that we got the problem fixed, we're having, well, I sold out last night, a Tuesday night, and I'm sold out. And most of that's because we got 30-something work crew in the house. But I had several people come by looking. And yeah, if I'd have had rooms, I could have sold them. So that's a good thing. Anyway, I'm trying to stay awake here. I got a full belly and I've been running. And that's a good thing. I don't know about y'all, but this is going to be a short one. I will be trying tonight to get to, probably should have tried to get to it tonight, but I'm going to go tomorrow, later. This morning before I left work, I should have tried to get this work crew, not work crew, get the ticket, defensive driving class taken care of. Should have tried to do some of that, but I was doing other things and paying attention to elsewhere. And yeah, and getting my walk in, my exercise. And then, like I said, I ended up getting to do the breakfast this morning, and whew, they ran me over, which is a good thing. I definitely got my exercise in today. Problem is, I'm not used to doing for 2.5 hours straight. But that's okay. I hope we keep it up. I need to get to where I can do 2.5 hours straight and be good with it. So yeah. Anyway, saw a bit about they apparently got with some people that were suspects in the thing that went down there in the Zimbabwe area. With the missing guy. So yeah, hopefully they got that figured out. It's about all I was able to remember from last night. Yeah. Anyway, I'm tired. I've had a very busy day. My feet are sore. Too many stairs before and during breakfast, which is good. Gets me to where I'm used to walking up and down the stairs and such. But yeah. Anyway, I hope everybody's having a blessed day. That your work week is fairly easy on you. My weekend's going to be short because I'm trying to get the extra hours. Happy Halloween, or what is it? Days of the Dead thing, or whatever it is, November 1st and 2nd. I think that's what y'all do over there. Saw several people that were all decked out in costumes for it. Halloween over here, Day of the Dead thing over there, or whatever it is. I'll have to learn more about that when I get over there. Actually, that'll probably be one of the first things I get to deal with over there. Because plan on being there sometime in, July 9th, 10th. So I don't think there's too many of the way of holidays or such. I don't know. But then again, the start of Christmas, September 1st, so the birds. Kind of like that idea. The world needs more Christmas. Just saying. Anyway, I hope everybody had a blessed day. Lots of food. And the week is easy on you. I'm Williams, Philippines. Later blessings. Bye-bye. Fish here and fish is out.